Hey there, I see you're interested in learning MERN Stack development. I must say, you've made a wise decision. In today's tech-driven world, full-stack web development is one of the most in-demand digital skills globally. Every business, startup, and brands needs fast, dynamic, and scalable web applications, and MERN Stack is the perfect technology for building them. And here is the good news, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Bizmarrow Technologies, the best training institute where you get practical hands-on training to help you become a professional MERN Stack developer. What is MERN Stack development? MERN Stack development is a powerful full-stack JavaScript framework that allows developers to build modern high-performance web applications, and it consists of the following: MongoDB, a NoSQL database for storing data; Express.js, a back-end web framework for handling server-side logic; React.js, a front-end library for building interactive user interface; Node.js, a runtime environment that allows JavaScript to run on the server. Together, these technologies create fast, scalable, and efficient web applications used by top companies like Netflix, Uber, Facebook, and Airbnb. Now let's talk about what you learn in this training. At Bizmarrow Technologies, our training takes you from beginners to industry-ready MERN Stack developer with hands-on training. You will learn the following in this training: front-end development with React.js, build responsive and interactive user interface, work with React hooks, state management and Redux, connect front-end with back-end APIs, and back-end development with Node.js and Express.js. You will also learn how to develop powerful server-side applications, handle user authentication, security, and API integration, use Express.js for building RESTful APIs, database management with MongoDB, store and manage data with NoSQL database, implement CRUD to create, read, update, and delete operations. Now full stack development and deployment. With this, you can combine the front end and back end to build a full stack development application. Use Git, GitHub, and version control. At the end of this training course, you should have built a real-world MERN Stack development project, making you ready for the job market and freelance opportunities. Let's talk about career opportunities for MERN Stack developers. With MERN Stack skills, you can work remotely or on-site for top companies here in Nigeria or abroad. Some of the high-paying jobs for MERN Stack roles include the following: full stack developers, front-end developers with React.js, back-end developers with Node.js and Express.js, JavaScript developers and web application developers, freelance web developer and software engineer. Tech giants and startups are actively hiring MERN Stack developers. You can work for local tech companies, global startups, or become a freelance developer by earning in dollars. Why should you choose Bizmarrow Technologies? At Bizmarrow Technologies, we go beyond theory. We give you real-world practical hands-on training and project-based learning to ensure you gain job-ready skills. With hands-on training at Bizmarrow Technologies, you will learn by building real applications. It's going to be a one-on-one attention where a trainer will be assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. With Bizmarrow practical hands-on training, you will learn by building real-world applications, one-on-one attention where a trainer will be assigned to you to guide you personally, no crowded classroom, small class size room for effective learning, real-life projects before you graduate, gain hands-on experience on MERN Stack development, will make you job ready. Our trainees aligns with current industry demands, online and physical classes available. Learn from anywhere in the world with us at Bizmarrow Technologies. Take action now. The demand for MERN Stack developers is skyrocketing, and this is your opportunity to join the tech industry. Do not wait, for delay is dangerous. Click on the link below or visit Bizmarrow Technologies today to register and start your journey in MERN Stack development. See you in class.